Assalamu alaikum bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So guys, today I brought such is an important topic for you people, that is all about and. So let's begin. And is a word conjunction which is used to connect two similar ideas. Once more, and is a word conjunction which is used to connect two similar ideas. And is a conjunction mean that which connect two mean that same ideas, same noun. For example, same words, it is known as what? It is known as and. For example, Wahid and Rizwan. Atif and Farman went to school. Wahid and Rizwan, these are similar idea, mean that noun plus noun, and is a conjunction, and join mean that connect to similar idea. We have one formula by the name of fanboys. What is stand for fanboys? F stand for, A stand for and, N stand for nor, B stand for but, O stand for odd, Y stand for yet, S stand for so. So guys, this is all about our today lesson. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you my support.